Okay. You guys have constantly been supporting me and everything like that. Thank you all for being my friends. Thank you all for being here with me and making this show what it is. Cause I'm just the host, guys. I'm just the host. You guys are the ones that have made this show what it is. And I cannot thank you all enough. Seriously, for all the people that have been here in my stream supporting me, for all the people that have come in and been a part of the show, singing your songs. Just thank you all so much. But without further ado, I think we should introduce our first special guest. So, J Rose, please request the box. Oh, I think you already have. There you are, J Rose. Everyone, give it up for J Rose, a fellow streamer. Make sure to show her some love and give her some. Oh! Let's freaking go!
What is that? Ooh, cool! Bigfoot monster. Alabama says yay.
Let me make you a medium view. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
So before you start, why don't you tell everyone about like when you stream, a little bit about your stream, introduce yourself a little bit, promote yourself a little here.
Well, in the background you hear Alabama and Edith, the doggy singer-songwriters of the evening, but I play ukulele sometimes and kazoo sometimes. Or something, whatever that's, and I'm really kick-ass at like things like the cymbals, and if you ever need a cowbell player, oh my god. So I don't know, like
I got a fever.
I stream later, like maybe 7 or 8 p.m. on the weekends or Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Heck yeah. Guys, please do me a favor. Show her some love. Thank you guys for all the support. Show her some love. Give her a fave. Give her some gifts, guys. Darling.
Well, we also have here Jason, J-S-U-N on the keyboards, J-S-U-N on the keyboards. So if you've ever seen the movie, she have to go outside. I might have to kick my dog out. So have you ever seen a movie called Toasters and Moose? Does anybody know what that is? All right,
I do not. Toasters and Moose.
All right, so some people say that this could very well be the next Thanksgiving anthem. For real.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. And it's featured in a movie for sure, but some people say it's just a meme. It's not just a meme. There's nothing that's just a meme. We would never do something that's just a meme on Zepp's featured. Okay, should we start?
All right.
Should we start?
You're cracking up already. Okay, the stream is yours. Have fun with it.
Oh, shit.
Guys, make sure to give her some love. Show her some faves, some
Thanksgiving
gifts.
anthem. Ready? Who likes KFC, people? We got Jason on the keyboards. I think it should start. Can you hear the music and me? Thumbs up if you hear me and the music. Me and the music. Yes, yes, good. Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. Taste that honey sauce. Taste the goodness of the biscuit with that honey sauce. Don't get that honey sauce on me. I don't like the way it tastes with my chicken wings. Taste biscuit. Taste the goodness of biscuits. Taste the pears. Taste the goodness of those juicy pears. Don't crack your pears on me. I like the way it mixes with my apple juice. You got that special sauce. To spur my curiosity. Just give me a 5-piece meal. Oh, what deal, a big old box that's for me. You know I'll take coleslaw on the side. I could tell you want to try the potato wedges. Why is that in the song? Does losing my fucking mind. Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. Taste that honey sauce. Taste the goodness of the biscuit with that honey sauce. Don't get your honey sauce on me. I don't like the way it mixes with my chicken wings. Don't get that sauce on me. I don't like the way it mixes with my chicken wings. Jason on the keyboards, ladies and
Well done. That was amazing. You guys did
Thank you,
awesome.
I'll be here. Love you.
Thank you so much for being a part of my show. Really appreciate you. What an awesome way to start off the show. That was freaking cool, guys. That was J Rose. I hope you guys had a chance to give her a fave. Awesome individual. And I'm still cracking up a little bit over that. Oh, man. So, guys, please give everyone a fave. Give everyone the love they deserve on this stream tonight. Next up, we have Dewey. Dewey, are you here, my friend? Could you request the box, my friend? Let's do this. This will be contestant number 1, guys. So when you guys are doing the votes, remember, because it's number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we also have some special guests. They will box up at the end. Don't worry for when we're doing the votes. Guys, give it up for the one, the only, the amazing streamer himself, Dewey.
What up, What
yeah. All right, for the 1 or 2 people in here that might not know you and your stream, let them know a little bit about yourself real fast. When you stream, promote yourself a little here.
I just do the musician thing, hang out. My stream is pretty sporadic. Mostly, right now. It's just on Wednesdays. Jennifer Rocker Jen in the comments, she's down there. We do a game night together, and then after the games, we do karaoke till about 1 a.m. Central Time. And that's about it for now. I've kind of been the supporter guy, just bouncing around, helping everybody out. So.
Heck yeah, man! I love that, brother. Hey, so what are you singing for us tonight?
Well, we're gonna get down to business. We're gonna do business time.
All right, we're doing business time, guys. He's got a serious time. Look. Let's freaking go. All right, brother. The stream is yours, man. Have fun with it, man. Guys, make sure to give him love and support right now. All right, brother. Have at it.
Hope y'all enjoy it. Girl, tonight we're gonna make love. Wanna know how I know? Because it's Tuesday, and Tuesday's the day we usually make love. Last night was Monday Night Football. Cram had games, and we did karaoke with Noah. But tonight, conditions are perfect. There's nothing on the TV. Conditions are perfect. You lean in and say something sexy like, get off the kick and go to bed. You got work in the morning. I'll actually pay you when you're supposed to. I know what you're trying to say, baby. You're trying to say, ooh, yeah. It's business time. It's business time. It's business. It's business time. you're trying to say. Let's get down to business. It's business time. Ooh. It's business. It's business time. Now we're in the bathroom, brushing our teeth. That's part of it. That's the foreplay. I love foreplay. You let the dog in, but in the cage. That's not part of the foreplay process, but it's still important. Now we're in the bedroom. You got on that old, baggy, ugly San Antonio Spurs t-shirt, the one with the chili stain on it. You know the one I'm talking about. And it's never looked better on you. I take off my clothes very, very clumsily. I trip over my own pants because my shoes are still on. And now, I'm down to my socks. And you know when I'm down to just my socks what time it is. It's business. It's business time. You know when I'm down to just my socks, it's time to take care of business. That's why I call them business socks. It's business. It's business time. Making love for, making love for two, making love for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is all you need with me, girl, 'cause I'm so intense. 2 minutes in heaven is better than 1 minute in heaven. Then you whisper something sexy like, is that it? Oh, what you saying, baby? You're saying, that's it. And then you tell me you want some more. Of course you do. But I'm quite sleepy. It's business. It's business time. Business hours are over, baby. It's business. It's business time. Thank you guys. All love.
Dude, heck yeah, brother, man. Guys, give it up for Dewey, man, for real.
Such a blast. I appreciate y'all. All right, man.
Dude, thank you so much for being a part of the show, man. Make sure to stick around to the end. We're going to be doing a voting at the end. I'm going to have all you guys box back up so people can vote on you guys, okay?
I'll be here, bud.
Heck yeah. Guys, seriously, how awesome was that, man? How awesome is Dewey? Let's freaking go. All right, guys. So far, you have seen Jay Rose, our special guest, and you've seen contestant number 1, Dewey. We have contestant number 2, Mountain, coming up now. Mountain, would you do your boy a favor and request the box, my friend? Which, by the way, also is one of my reoccurring people for Comedy Song Night, aka Belch It Out with Zep. Mr. The one, the only, the infamous Mountain himself. Let's freaking go. Woo! Mountain, what's up, brother? How you doing, my guy? Dude, let everyone know a little bit about yourself, man. When you stream, what your streams are about.
I just like to stream guitar and chit chat with people that hop in, maybe do some song requests and stuff that people pop in. But yeah, it's just usually, I guess I take like the vibe of a campfire around the campfire with a guitar type of thing. So that's kind of how my stream goes. And as far as when I get on, it's kind of sporadic too. Usually, so.
Heck yeah. If you guys get a chance to fave this guy, give him a fave. One of my oldest friends on the app, man. I love this guy so much, man. Dude, I cannot wait to hear what you're gonna do, man. The stream is completely yours, guys. Give him some love, give him some faves, guys. Go check this man out. All right, brother. The stream is yours. Kill.
Alrighty, well, I got a song. It's kind of short and sweet, but figured it'd be fitting for this comedy song night. So it's called Puck You. Ah, 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 ah. Living, fuck dying, fuck laughing, fuck crying, fuck this song, but mostly fuck you. Fuck love, hate, and friends, fuck following trends, fuck this song, can't wait till it ends. Fuck everyone, fuck you the most, fuck everything, fuck you the most. The big rusty pole or a splintery post, yeah, fuck you the most, fuck you. Fuck old school, puck new school, puck not cool, puck too cool, puck hip and ironically lame. I forgot the lyrics. Puck be trying to be nice, puck trying to be nice, but you and you know who you are. Fuck everything, fuck you the most, fuck everyone, fuck you the most with a big rusty pole or a splintery post. Yeah, fuck you the most, fuck you, 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 fuck you. There you go.
Dude, short and sweet and to the point, man. I love it. Dude, well done, brother. In case anybody was wondering, that was a hard P sound there.
That's right. That's right. Hey, and it's also a song about hockey. I'm a big hockey fan, so
It was a hockey song.
it's a
In case
hockey song.
anyone else wants to
Come on.
judge, it was a hockey song.
All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you soon.
Dude, stick around to the end, brother. Love you,
Heck
man.
yeah.
Guys, thank you all so much for being here. You can hit my socials up at the top. You hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat. My YouTube channel is going to be up there as well. So far tonight on Belch It Out with Zep, episode 1, we have had J-Rose, special guest. We have had Dewey, contestant number 1. We have had Mountain, contestant number 2. So I think it's time for the mid-show break to where we have a special guest come in. This individual has been on my show before. She's actually won an episode on my show before. She is an amazing individual. Such a good heart, such a talent, so funny, and such a good voice. I love Queen Loves Karaoke. Such an amazing individual. Queen Loves Karaoke. Would you request the box for me, darling? I'd be very appreciative. Queen Loves Karaoke. Guys, everyone give it up for the one, the Queen Loves Karaoke.
Hi
Woo!
everyone! It's nice to be part of this first episode. Congratulations, uh, the
Thank you
song that I'm
so
gonna
much.
sing. I will give you a trivia of the song that I'm gonna sing. So of course, I'm gonna do a parody of this song. So the song is from, a song of Sinatra, "My Way," but it's the serial killer, the killer in the Philippines, to whoever will sing this song, he gonna kill someone if somebody will sing the song "My Way." Like there's
Oh
a
my gosh. That's one heck of a twist you're going to be putting on this song. I am so curious right now.
it's all over the internet before. It was trending before because there's a serial killer if someone will sing "My Way," whether you sing it good or bad. But I'm gonna
Okay, so
sing.
if Sinatra was a serial killer in the Philippines, this is the song he would sing then, right?
No, the people that sing in karaoke. I hope you will not find me here singing the "My Way," but in the others. Okay, this is for happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So when you're drinking, You need to listen to this. Here's my song for you all for tonight.
Darling, I know you're gonna rock it. Have fun with it, guys. Make sure you give her lots of love.
Thank you.
Give her faves. Thank you, Fifi. Appreciate you. Darling, the
I hope
stream is completely
the
yours.
serial
Have fun
killer
with
of
it.
my way will not find me here singing.
Let's go. KP.
Let's go.
All right, it's all yours. Let's go.
Thank you so much, guys. This is my way, the drunkard edition. And now my friends are here and they request to drink some liquor. My friend give me some beer. Of course I drink because I'm craving. And then we got so drunk, I'm going home, crawling on highways. Oh no, I think I'm lost. I don't know my way. Regrets, I've had a few. I shouldn't drink too much of liquor. I did what I had to do. I saw my feet without direction. I planned to cheer myself with careful steps along the highway. Oh no, I think I'm lost. I don't know my way. Yes, there are times I fell on the ditch. When I got up, I'm full of grit. I always fall in the canal, but I survive. I shut it out. I face it all, but I stood crook. I don't know my way. I laughed, I laughed and cried. I love you, Mark. So many streets, it was confusing. And I walked side by side, relying my imagination. My friends, my drinker friends, they're crawling through in every highway. Oh no, they're lost like me. We don't know our ways. Yes, there were times I fell in the ditch. When I got up, I'm full of dirt. I always fall in the canal, but I survive. I shot it out. I face it all, but I stood cross. I don't know my way. I'm sorry. Need to.
That was awesome.
I don't know my.
Guys, give it up for Queen Loves Karaoke.
Thank you
Always
so
rocking it
much. I
here on
know.
Comedy Song Night, aka Belch. What's up, darling? That was awesome.
Thank you. Congratulations, Zeb, on your first episode. I'm so happy and grateful to be part of this event. Thank you so
Thank
much, everyone. Thank you.
thank you
God
so much for
bless.
being here, darling. We so much appreciate you always. One of our previous winners, guys, by the
Thank
way.
you.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you all so much for being here. For those guys that are performing, thank you so much. For you guys just being here in the comments, thank you guys as well. You are all just so appreciated right now. Guys, we have had special guest J Rose. We have had contestant number 1, Dewey. Contestant number 2, Mountain. We've had another special guest, Queen Loves Karaoke, just saying that, saying some Sinatra for you. So I think now it is time for contestant number 3, KP Dragonfly. Are you ready? Or are we switching you and Stitch? I think we got a box request coming up already. Oh, KP Dragonfly is ready, guys. A really good friend of mine. Give it up for the one, the only, the amazing, the beautiful KP Dragonfly.
Hi! Oh my gosh. I literally just like managed to manipulate Vegas traffic to get home. And I walked in my door 5 minutes ago, changed my clothes, turned on my lights, and here I am.
Well done. Well done,
So
darling.
so if I'm a little out of breath, that's why. But I'm so happy to be here. Thank you, everybody who's here, because I told them to come. And I'm so excited. I'm so bummed I missed Dewey and Mountain, but I look
Oh, it's
forward to
okay.
I
I'm
look forward
recording
to
the
the
whole.
replay.
You'll catch it on YouTube later. It's okay.
Oh, exactly. So, yay.
So let everyone know a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your stream, and when you stream. Most important.
Yeah, so I'm the kick pimp. I'm the mistress of fun. We hang out in my streams at midnight Eastern time, so 9 o'clock Pacific, most nights. And basically, it's always fun. It's always a good time, and everybody is welcome. It's like hanging in my living room. So, yeah.
Heck yeah. So what are you gonna be singing for us tonight?
So I am doing a parody of Tracy Chapman's Fast Car. I know Luke Combs did it too, but I have a special place in my heart for Tracy. I was singing it before he was even singing it. So I figured it's such a, oh shoot, a wheel. Thank you so much, you guys. But it's a song about empowering women, which I love. Thank you, Dre. Like literally it's the woman who takes care of the man for so long, and then she realizes it's time to send him on his merry way, which I love. But we're putting a little kick twist on it. So
Okay, I'm loving the sound of this. Well, without further ado, guys, make sure to give her some faves. Make sure to give her some gifts. Faves, guys. Go check out her streams. They're amazing. I promise you. I love her streams, guys. I'm in there all the time. So have fun with it, darling.
thank you.
You're gonna rock it as always.
Right.
Guys, give
Third
it up
time's
for the
the
one and
charm.
only KP Dragonfly. Let's go.
Thank you. Let's go. You got some diamonds. I got a plan to get my top badge bin. Make a deal. Maybe together we can hit my goals. You know my streams better. Playing some games, singing some songs. Maybe you could drop a wheel. Me, myself, I got something to prove. You got some diamonds. There's a big contest going on right now. Been working hard to get in it. Drop some gifts and see your name in mine. Won't have to grind too long. Just 2 hours till the contest ends. You can come hang out with me. Finally see what it's like to be winning. See, I've been streaming for months now. Hosted fun game nights, it's what I do. Lurkers and jerkers come in. We bouncers kick them, it's what we do. Some people have sent me DMs. One from me that I will give. I said, I ain't gonna send nude pics. So I blocked them, that's what I did. You got some diamonds. Do you have enough to make it worth my while? Still gotta get in the contest. You can help or I can keep on grinding. So I remember when we were laughing hard at Zep. That dare night he almost peed my pants. Peanut butter all over his face, and he sang and it dripped and burned his eyes. And I think all streams should be like that. I am so glad Mooney hit screen record, screen record, screen record. You got some diamonds. We could use them to gift our friends. I bet they would love it. Drop a dragon and watch them scream. I know you have a castle, maybe a carpet and a jet too. What about some battle bots? Drop what you got, it'll be worth it. So I remember when we were laughing at Jack and Jeff. That dare night I almost peed my pants. Marker names all over their face and choking on Twinkies trying not to puke. And I think all streams should be like that. I am so bummed I didn't hit screen record, screen record, screen record. You got some diamonds. I've had some wheels that have broken my heart. Wanna drop a few more on me. Maybe the next one hits that dragon. Wanna be in an auction. I promise you will have a great time. Just a name and profile change. It'll be fun. You'll just love it. So I remember when you were laughing hard at me. That song night I almost peed my pants. I sang the song about dick pics and you still come and ask me to sing it again. And I think all streams should be like that. I am so glad Stitchy hit screen record, screen record, screen record. Thank you guys.
Guys, give it up for KP Dragonfly.
Love you guys. Okay, and you guys, I don't know if anybody there really was a dare night that Zep had to smear peanut butter all over his face and sing I Want You to Want Me, and it was dripping and burning his eyes. So that was like the whole chorus there. And then Jack and Jeff had marker all over their face and they were choking on Twinkies and trying not to puke. So legit telling a story here, just saying.
Yes. I recognize that, and I recognize the picture you put up. What the heck, man?
And then I didn't have, because I didn't hit screen record when Jack and Jeff did it, so I have the picture of us at Live Fest.
Oh, darling, you pulled together the last minute so well. Thank you so much for being here.
My apologies for the two little mess ups. I was so out of breath that I had to yeah.
No, you had it. You had it. That was awesome. You did great, darling. You did great.
Thanks so much. I appreciate you guys.
All right, darling, stick around to the end for the votes. Bama, you want to be in one of the shows? Hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat. You can hit my socials right up here, guys. Make sure you guys are faving everybody that's boxing up too. These are amazing people, really funny and really talented people, positive people too. You're gonna love all their streams, I promise you. So, guys, so far we have had J Rose as one of our special guests. We have had Dewey, contestant number 1. We've had Mountain, contestant number 2. Queen Loves Karaoke, one of our previous winners, is our next special guest. And then we had KP Dragonfly, which you guys just saw. So I think it's about time for contestant number 4 to join the stream. Why don't you go ahead and request the box? The one, the only, the kick famous Stitchy Boo. Stitch, I need you to request the box, darling. You popped in just in time. Stitch, it's your turn. Why don't you request the box and introduce yourself? And let's get this show on the road. Guys, give it up for Stitch, guys. You guys know her. You all know her. Everyone here knows Stitch, guys. Give it up. Woo, Stitchy! All right, to people, for the one or two people that might be in here that don't know who you are, why don't you tell them a little bit about yourself, when you stream, about your stream, especially when you stream.
I don't stream that often. It's rare occasions. Um, I work a lot. I deal with a lot. I had a lot going on. Past 24 hours have kind of sucked. But I'm here.
She's here, guys. What are you gonna be singing for us tonight?
Parody.
It's a parody.
It's a parody.
It's all okay. It's gonna be a surprise, guys. I'm gonna be surprised as you guys are. Thank you for the faves, guys. But guys, make sure to fave and gift these people in the box. That's the most important. Gift and fave these people in the box. Stitch, we love you. We know you're gonna rock it. One of our fellow winners, one of our previous winners, right here, by the way. All right, darling. Have fun with it. The stream is completely yours. Let's hear what you got.
All right. Y'all know I don't drink a lot. There's a reason for that. Last night I drank too much alcohol. I text my ex-boyfriend and I said that we need to talk. He said that his restraining order's still in effect. Well, then I guess that means I still can't come over yet. Well, every time that liquor bottle hits my lips, I start drunk texting my ex-boyfriends, asking if I can see their sticks. Then I promise I'll delete the pic, and you know I ain't all right when I drank on that Jim Beam. I might just ask you to touch on your wee-wee, cause you know last night I drank too much alcohol. I text my ex-boyfriend and I said that we need to talk. He said that his restraining order's still in effect. Well, then I guess that means I still can't come over yet. I drunk texted last night. I drunk texted last night. Well, it was last night. I got real drunk. Asked you if I could touch your butt. You said your dad called me a slut. I did donuts, tore your yard all up, and then your mom called me a hoe. The cops took me to jail. I drunk texted, asked if you could pay my bail because last night drank too much alcohol. I text my ex-boyfriend and I said that we need to talk. He said that his restraining order's still in effect. Well, then I guess that means I still can't come over yet. I stayed in jail all night and tried to act real tough. This big scary chick asked if we could just snuggle up. She's doing 15 years for armed robbery and grand theft. She says I'll be her girlfriend before the night is over with. I drunk texted last night. I drunk texted last night. I know I said I would not get drunk and text you again. But baby, well, this liquor's telling me I still got a chance. I drunk texted last night. I drunk texted last night. Okay, I'm done.
Well
What is
done,
it with
darling.
me and
Well
the hiccups?
done. Woo! Guys, give it up for Stitch, guys.
It would not be a Stitch performance if I did not have technical difficulties.
I think that sold it. I think that's what sold it. I
Like-
think it was perfect, just the way it was.
Although this time I didn't mess up. So yay.
Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Stitch, thank you always for so much for always being a part of the show, either as a judge or a contestant. By the way, guys, she's not one of the judges, so there's no cheating here. I kicked her out of that group temporarily.
All right, I'm out.
All right, Stitch, love you, darling. Guys, you have heard all of our performers already, except for one. We still have the main event coming up. It's going to be Sarah Sings, guys. Just so you know, Sarah Sings is going to come for the main event. But before we do that, we want to do our voting. We want to get the voting going on first. So I need all of our contestants to box back up, if you guys don't mind. I need Dewey, I need Mountain, I need KP, and I need Stitch, all to box back up so everyone can vote on you guys. So first up, I need Dewey to request the box. And then I need Mountain, and then I need KP, and then I need Stitch. So please request the box, my friends. All right. I see a few of you guys. Dewey, I need you to request the box. Dewey is doing business. Dewey is doing business. Wait, he's in the bathroom? It's business time. All right. Well, then do I have a representative that wants to come up for Dewey then? If he can't. Oh, no, he made it. All right. First up, we got Dewey coming in the box. Contestant number 1. He's done with his business. Now we got Mountain coming in. The Mountain Man himself. Oh my gosh, the beanie on and everything. Is that a beanie or a hoodie?
It's a beanie.
I love it, man. And then we have KP Dragonfly coming in.
He shot quickly.
And then last but most certainly not least, we have Stitchy Boo, Stitch herself coming in. What I need you guys to do is I need you guys to hold up the number of the contestants you are. So Dewey, you're number 1, Mountain, you're number 2, KP number 3, and Stitch, you're number 4. Guys, I need you to start voting on these guys right now. Everyone in the stream, start voting. Because your votes count. We got votes in the stream, we got the judges, it's all gonna be calculated together. Keep it coming, guys. And I'll count all these up when our main event is going. Come on, guys. I'm gonna count down. We got 5. We got 4. We got 3. We got 2. We got 1. And Mini Zepp's hugs marks the end of that, guys. If you're after Mini Zepp's hugs, your vote doesn't count. Guys, thank you all so much for being part of my show tonight. You have all done so great. One of you guys will be boxing up at the very, very end to get your praise from everybody. The winner will also be the main event of my next episode too. So be prepared for that as well. So I need you all to box back down for a little bit while we get our main event going up. One of you guys will be boxing back up though. Remember that. One of you guys will be boxing back up. Guys, give it up for our performers tonight. Have they not been freaking awesome? Seriously. Speaking of awesome, speaking of amazing performers, we need our main event to come up. We need the one, the only, the amazing, the beautiful, the talented Sarah Sings. Oh, she's already requested the box. Here you guys. Everyone, give it up for Sarah frickin' Sings, guys.
Come on, you know I'm professional. I've already been in the box. Come on.
Sarah,
I'm so nervous doing the comedy nights. It's just way out of my element. So it takes me way out of my box. It freaks me out.
She says that even though she won last episode.
It does. It freaks me out. I brought some friends with me. I went on to double check my sound and brought some people over. So guys, thanks so much for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to hit Zepp with a favorite and check him out here when he streams as well. So
give this one a fave, guys. That's who we're about. We're supporting these people up in here.
Thank you.
So for the 1 or 2 people that don't know you, let them know when you stream and what your streams are about, even though I already know.
We like to F around a lot. I'm part singing, part comedy, part BS artist. I can't say words in here that I normally would say after midnight. So yeah. So typically I'm a nighttime streamer, but right now with everything going on at this point, I'm kind of an all over. You can find me in the morning and find me at night. So generally 11, 12, and then on to the early morning hours. So hi guys. Thanks so much for having me.
All right, darling, thank you so much for being here. Congratulations on winning last episode, and thank you so much for being our main event tonight.
Everybody did so awesome, guys. Congratulations to all of you. I can't wait to see who wins. So,
well, without further ado, I'm just going to mute myself and let you have at it. Give these people what they want, which is your beautiful voice and your awesome comedy. let's freaking go.
Thank you, Zach. I
Guys,
appreciate it.
give her a fave, give her gifts, love on
Hit
this
him with a
woman.
fave. Check him
The
out.
stream is yours, darling.
Thank you. All right, here we go. Get in my go-kart, strap myself in, rev up the engine, let the fun begin. Put my foot on the gas and I'm out of the gate. The faster I go, the more the metal vibrates. My body is tingling from my head to my toes, but the thing that's really buzzing, hope nobody knows. I'm feeling kind of funny in a biblical way. Damn, I'm shaking hard on my Georgia O'Keeffe bouquet. Never guessed this trembling machine would turn my motor on under the hood. Go-kart racing, accidentally masturbating. Go-kart racing, mechanically self-fornicating. Go-kart racing, don't stop until I cross the finish line. Shifting gears, I can feel my heart throb. Hope nobody notices I'm getting a lube job. Don't need enough gentlemen to stop my engine, cause I can feel it in my rear suspension. To cover up my scandal like Goldman Sachs, but this shit's really real in my indoor track. Gotta go blind and I feel like a creep, cause it's pressing on my horn like beep, beep, beep. Now my driving is getting erratic, cause this transmission is automatic. Go-kart racing, accidentally masturbating. Go-kart racing, mechanically self-fornicating. Go-kart racing, don't stop until I cross the finish line. The fruit is ripe, you might as well pluck it. Was gonna slow down, but then I said, no one look at me, cause this is it. Green flag, go now, holy shit. Go-kart racing, accidentally masturbating. Go-kart racing, mechanically self-fornicating. Go-kart racing, don't stop until I cross the finish line. Key change, key change. Go-kart racing, accidentally masturbating. Go-kart racing, fornicating. Go-kart racing, don't stop until I cross the finish line. Man, glad that's over. Whew, how you guys doing? Hey, what's up?
Guys, give it up for
Hi.
Sarah.
You having a good time? Hey.
That is why she won the last episode, guys. Right there.
She can fake it. What? How you doing, Seth?
I'm a little hotter to the collar now, I'm not gonna lie.
Are you sure? I mean, can I help you with something? Are we okay? Yeah. Well,
All right, well, let's talk on Instagram, okay?
yeah. Hit him with the favorite, guys. You know you want to. Oh yeah. Let's do this, Zeb.
Thank you so much for
She's faking it. Oh, she's a wait, could it be one of those mechanical toys? All right, bye guys. See you later. Have fun.
How awesome is Sarah Sings, guys? For real. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, you've heard all of our performers. We have had J Rose, special guest, Dewey, Mountain, contestant number 1 and 2, Queenless Karaoke, special guest. Then we have contestant number 3 and 4, which is KP Dragonfly and Stitch. And now you've also heard our previous winner, aka Main Event, Sarah Sings. But the votes are in, guys. The votes are in. And we want our number 1 judge to box up and announce the winner, guys. Give it up for a close personal friend of mine, amazing judge, A Lust for Life, doing her American tour, by the way, guys. Woo!
Sorry, I'm still trying to cool down after Sarah's song. Holy shit. God damn, Sarah. Oh, wow. She kind of left me speechless after that. I had this whole thing written, and I'm just like, yep, just let's just throw that out the window. I love it. I love it. Guys, amazing night tonight. Zeb, thank you so much for having me again. I'm glad that I'm back. I'm sad I missed last week's one. But I am back, baby. I'm back. Everyone did absolutely amazing tonight. Thank you, everyone, for being part of the show. If you do not make it through and you're not the winner today, please come back because you're all great. And unfortunately, there can only be one winner. And drum roll. Let's hear it.
Drum roll.
Congratulations, Stitch.
Stitchy Boo!
Let's go. It was unanimous. Even the viewers voted for you, love. Congratulations. And well done to everybody else that was part of the show. Sarah, message me later. Bye.
Sarah messaged me later. Oh my lord. I wonder what's going on there. Stitch, congratulations. Box up, darling. Congratulations, everybody. Give it up for Stitch. Our Belch It Out, episode 1, Comedy Song Night, episode 15 winner. Woo! Congratulations, darling.
Everyone did amazing.
You did amazing, darling. You've earned this win. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone, since she's in the box, everyone, if you haven't yet, give her a fave right now. Make sure to check her out whenever she streams. And let's all try to talk her into streaming more often, too. That's another thing we need to do.
Congratulations on your first featured show. Episode 1 was amazing.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you, judges. Thank you, the chat, everybody, the other contestants, the special guests. I need to go cool off after Sarah's performance. So let me hop out of here.
Okay, darling. Remember, you're coming back for episode 2 as the main event. Just so you know, you can play the same song, you can do a different song. It's whatever you feel like doing next time, okay?
I know. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, darling. Guys, thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all so much for all of our special guests. Thank you for all of our contestants, but especially thank you for everyone in the comments that has been here, keeping the comments going. Thank you guys for your voting, for supporting these amazing streamers, for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I could not do this show without you guys. And just, we've made it, guys. We've made it. Thanks to you guys, man. You guys made this show happen. I don't think I could ever express my gratitude enough. Thank you. Oh, guys. We've had J Rose. We've had Dewey. We've had Mountain. We have Queen Loves Karaoke. We've had KP Dragonfly. We've had Stitch. And we've had Sarah Singh. How amazing of a show is this? 15 episodes, guys. 15 episodes. I can't believe we've done 15 of these already. And I don't know what to say at this point. I'm literally speechless. My heart is pounding. I'm just so grateful. Guys, if you're a contestant and you didn't make number 1, you can more than welcome to come back again and try it again. If you guys are in the comments, you think you guys might have a chance, or you might just want to have some fun with it, hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat or on YouTube. They're all links up here in my profile. Click this thing that says Zep smiley face DSF there. Click that. Scroll down just a little bit. You'll see those links right there. Hit one of those buttons. Hit me up with a message. We can get you in the next show. Eventually, at some point, what I think we're going to do on the show is we're going to have a whole contest of all of our previous winners at some point. That's going to be one of our main shows coming up, and I'm going to love that. If these people are going to be down. When is the next show? Good question. We'll be doing a little bit of something next Tuesday, but the next official Belch Out with Zep is going to be the Tuesday after. So it's every other week, guys. So that gives you guys time to prepare to sign up, give you guys time to prepare a song. Thank you guys all so much for the gifts. please, 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 please make sure you got all of our contestants faved and you're going to go check them out and support them as well. Belch it freaking out. Yes. Guys, thank you all so much. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you. So that was officially Belch It Out, episode number 1. Guys, Kick's newest featured show. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing this until I drop dead. I'm loving it. I'm loving doing this show. I'm never going to stop. It's just so much fun hanging out with you guys. You just joined. Oh, you just missed it. I'm so sorry you missed it. Yes, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Happy holidays. And guys, if you don't want to be a contestant, but you want to be a judge at some point, we're always open to have new judges as well. We got an entire panel of judges going there tonight. Special thank you to our judges, A Lust for Life, Mooney, and Kyle. You guys know him as Good Vibes Kyle. Amazing judges. Very biased individuals that just go by what they find was funny alone. You don't have to be a good singer, guys. You don't have to be a good singer. You don't have to be an amazing musician. You just got to have a sense for comedy and you want to make people laugh. Like, I don't got a good voice, but I always love performing for you guys because I love writing comedy songs. It's all you got to do to be a part of the show. So that's it. That's the end of the show, guys. Thank you all so much for being here. I'm going to hang out for a little bit just to hang out with you guys because I love you all so much. But just thank you guys all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for the wheels. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Has anyone ever told you you look like... I have heard that. D, I've heard that many times. Never stop dropping wheels. No, I've heard it. I've heard that multiple times before. Thank you, D. I appreciate that. Monica, I've seen you there. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you for the gifts. Really appreciate you. I hope you guys have been able to gift your streamers that have been popping in here. Sarah, thank you so much for the wheel. Thank you, guys. It looks more like him in person. That's right. I got to meet Lusty in person, guys. She's way taller than you would expect. She's like almost my height. That was a little strange. I thought she'd be way shorter. Lusty's a tall drink of water, guys. I was like, oh my gosh. She's like, well, like almost 6 foot tall. Yeah, she's very tall. Oh yeah, and it was adorable seeing her with my kids too. It was so cute. Get to see her in 2 days. Oh my gosh, guys, definitely post that. Stitch, Lusty, guys, post that stuff about your guys' meetup. I want to see that. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. I'm gonna end it here. I'm overwhelmed. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for being here. Belch It Out, episode 1 in the books. Let's freaking go. I think we timed everything just right. Guys, remember, sign up. Hit me up on my socials up here. Sign up. We're going to always going to need more contestants. It's never going to stop. We're always going to need more of you guys constantly. You don't even have to be a musician, guys. Just sign up. Let's sing some funny songs, make some people laugh. Let's have some fun. That's all it's about, guys. Thank you all so much for being here. As your Boys Up always tells you, do me a big, big favor. Think of 5 things you're grateful for before you go to bed tonight. Feel them in your heart individually. You're going to wake up with a smile. Gratitude lists always work, especially at night before you go to bed, guys. Wake up with a smile. That's all I ask of you guys. Love you all so much. I will see you next time. Peace.